local job right now. I'm repairing a fence for a customer. It's very hard to see, but if you could take a look up there, tree branch fell down and did this to the fence. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm replacing the metal portion. So we have to dig down a little in the grass, that way it could go down underneath so the dogs won't come out. So the rest of the video will be in a time lapse showing you what we're doing. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm mending the two fences together. I built the trench in the bottom. I left a piece of the other fence on the bottom too, that way I could tie them together, that way it doesn't come out. So if any of the dogs try to go under it, they can't because it's all tied up. All right, so back to the time lapse. From what it was before, this is what it looks like now.